My video guide will provide you with detailed instructions that will help you to get rid of the adware, which is called UniversalHandler. UniversalHandler is the adware that now attacks Google, Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, and other browsers. Also, Safari is specifically being attacked by this adware. This adware, called UniversalHandler, by the way, is from the adload family. The adware is often spread through misleading pop-ups, fake software or browser update alerts, and through other deceptive channels. UniversalHandler adware displays its multiple advertisements not related to the sites that you visit. Also, this particular adware may collect some browsing-related data. It may also, in some cases, redirect your search queries through random websites of a bad reputation. Anyway, the presence of this adware on your computer is strongly not recommended. So, if you have discovered this application to be the part of your Mac, access your Mac applications through Finder, check the list of programs or applications, and if you find this UniversalHandler, right-click on it and move it to the trash. Finally, I also recommend that you research your computer with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. The best place to get it is on the website combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, install the program, and this is the way the program looks like. First of all, it should update its anti-malware database for proper detection and removal of any malware. After that, click on Start Combo Scan button. I forgot to mention that the program is initially in the trial mode, but even the trial mode has got several free features. They are disk cleaner, big files, duplicates. Then the scanning will begin and you will see the summary of the threats which were found on your computer. Then the summary of threats will be given at the end of the scan. In that summary, you will know the information about the threats, about their exact locations on the system. We strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license as the best solution to keep your computer always free of threats and to keep your data always protected in the future.